Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, coming with running board sound below, as well as the XTR package, giving you chrome accents and rims. But let's take a look inside. Before I forget, this truck does also have the extended wheelbase, as well as being a super cab, meaning that you have as much bed as possible for all of your cargo. And looking into the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you can flip up the seats and have more cargo room. Do also have two cup holders in the middle, as well as a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet. And then looking into the front, this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, navigation, phone and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your camera view again, your hazards, hill descent assist, and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode, which is normally part of the FX4 off-road package. But then moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as having this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby with a USB and USB-C. And then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. But then back to your center console area, where you have two cup holders, large cubby here, and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. And this is also your interior work surface, so you can fold that out. If you want to eat in your truck, work in your truck, you have a nice flat surface to do so from. And I believe last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.